How to change country or location on Shein app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can change the country or location on the Shein app. For this, you want to open the Shein app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and download and install this application. Once it has been installed, you want to log into your account. Now, if you have entered the incorrect country or location on the Shein app, or you simply have moved somewhere else and you want to change it, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. That is going to open up your settings. Here you have different options such as address book, manage my account, and you also have location. You want to tap on the location option. As you can see, your current location is displayed at the top. If you want to change it, you simply want to scroll down and find the correct location or country. If you don't want to search it manually, tap on the search bar and simply search for that country. Then tap on it. And now if you tap on location, as you can see, your current location has changed. Now in the same way, you can again in the future change your country or location in this way. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.